Hi everyone, today I am going to share models in English grammar presented by Joy Priya. What is mean by models? Modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestion, order, and obligation, advice, etc. Most common models are can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, must not, ought to, would, dare, etc. Common feathers of models. Models have the following common feathers. Models are never used alone. They are always used with the principal verb. For example, he can climb a tree. Here, principal verb is climb is expressed. Modals are always followed by the basis or the first form of verb. As example, I can play Siddhar. You should work hard. Here, play and work are the first form of verb. Let us see one by one. First one is can. Can is used for the ability, suggestion and request. Example, I can play basketball. Here we are using ability. Can you make some coffee for me? Here we are using request. You can call a taxi. Here we are using suggestion. Next one is could. Could is used for past form of can, polite request, possibility. For example, she said she could pay for you as well. Here, past form of can is could. Could you please lend me this book? Here, we are using polite request. It could be that he missed the train. Here, we are using possibility. Third one is may. May is used for possibility, formal request and permission. For example, it may rain tomorrow. Here we are using possibility. May I speak? Here we are using formal request permission. Next one is might. Might is used for the past form of may and possibility. For example, he said he might change his mind. Past form of may is might. Your purse might be in the living room. Here we are using possibility. Next one is must. Must is used for obligation, certainable that something is true. For example, you must obey the law. Here we are using obligation. Another example is it must be dark outside. Certainly that something is true. Next one is must not. Must not is used for prohibition. For example, you must not drive without a license. Here we are using prohibition. And next example is you must not smoke here. Here also we are using prohibition. Next one is should. Should is used for advice. Example, you should eat green vegetables. Here we are using advice. You should quit smoking. Next one is ought to. Ought to is used for the right things to do or advice. Example, you ought to apologize. We ought to do more exercise. Next one is will. Will is used for future action, promise and intention. Example, tomorrow we will go. Here future action is there. I will pick you up at around 6. Here promise and intention is used. Next one is would. Would is used for the past form of will, polite request and offers. For example, he told me would He would come. Here, past form of will is would. Would you please sit down? Here we are using polite request. Would you like to have some tea? Here we are using offers. And next one is shall. Shall is used with the first person to express simple future only when time is involved. Example, we shall leave for Kolkata this evening. And shall is used for questions and suggestion for I and we. Example, let's continue. Shall we? And next one is dare. Dare is used to express the meaning be bold enough to. Example, how dare you speak to me like that? So these are the basic form of modals. In next class we will see the brief things in modals. Thank you all of you.